Everyone, it's Melinda Breckheisen here, and I'm excited to share with you the Anchor to Your Strengths MyMakes. This is a bifold with 10 strengths blends designed for the 10 milliliter roller bottle. So you've got 8 recipes inside, 2 on the back, and you've got your sticker sheet here. So you've got your little round ones at the top for the top of your roller bottle, and these gorgeous square ones to wrap around the side of your bottle. And these are blends designed to help you live at your best every single day. So it's pairing our beautiful essential oils with our strengths and creating great blends like Authentically You and Social Speed and Moving Mountains, and basically blends designed to help you put personal development at the forefront of your mind and to be at your best as you're executing your business activities.